Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 2, lesson number 9, Time and Calendar. So let's do reading the time further on. We studied the basic concept of o'clock. Now there are so many other numbers on the clock. They are till 12. Okay, now whenever I say from 1 to 12, there are 12 hours. If I go to see the small hand, if it is there, it is 12 hours. So when the clock finishes one full round, 12 hours are completed, and 12 hours in the morning and 12 hours in the evening. So it is 12 hours in the morning, means midnight 12 o'clock, to afternoon 12, and then afternoon 12 to night 12, midnight 12 o'clock. So 12 and 12 becomes 24 hours. So there are 24 hours in a day. This is the basic concept of 24 hours in a day. So whenever 1 hour is passed, you go one complete round. Now whenever I go one complete round, that means I'm passing a period of 60 minutes. Okay, so if the small hand goes from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, it's crossing a distance of 12 hours. But when the big hand, I had told you the long hand and the short hand. So when the long hand moves from the number 12 and comes back to number 12, it passes 60 minutes. Means every digit is calculated on the basis of 5. Now between 12 and 1, there are 4 small seconds, and this one is called as 5 minutes. So when I go to 2, again it goes to 10 minutes. 3 goes to 15 minutes. 4 goes to 20 minutes. 5 is 25. 6 is 30. 7 is 35. 8 is 40. 9 is 45. 10 is 50. 11 is 55. And 12 is 60 or 00 minutes. I had told you whenever we write the time, we write 3.00. This two zeros, I told you, it stands for minutes. So this is the 60 minutes. When it comes to 60, it is also calculated at 0, 0. So whenever it is calculated, you count. And this way to remember is a table of 5. Like if we say 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 elevens are 55, and 5 twelves are 60. So when the long hand moves from 12 and comes back to 12, it passes a minute of 60 minutes, and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 1 hour. So when I have the finger on the small hand on 1 and the big hand on 12, it is 1 o'clock. But when this shifts, the long hand shifts and goes back to 12, this from 1, it will shift to 2. So this becomes 1 whole hour. So similarly, it will keep on shifting. I had taught you the basic concept that when the small hand is on 2 and the big hand, long hand is on 12, it is calculated as o'clock, written as 2.00 or said as 2 o'clock. We had done this basic concept when it is on 12. Now there are certain other main aspects or main methods of counting. Now if suppose the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 6. So when it is cut to 6, it is like covering, we had learned in fractions, it is like covering half part of the clock. So you can read it as 2. The shorthand shows the hour. So we write wherever the shorthand is written as hours. And the minutes, as I had told you, 6 relates to 30. 6 fives are 30. So it is 2 30. But as per the fraction, we know that this is half of the clock. So sometimes we count it as half past 2. It is calculated at half past 2 or 2:30. One more special thing. Now suppose again my small hand is on 2 and the big hand is on 3. Okay. So if we go to see, the R hand comes first. So I calculate it as 2. Then the dots. Now 3. 5 threes are 15. So it is 2:15. But if I calculate it as a fraction, it is 1/4 part of the whole. So 1/4 is also called as quarter. So quarter past 2. It is passing from 12 o'clock. So it is quarter past 2. So this is the other concept of the time. Last concept. If it is on 2, it usually becomes 2 between 2 and 3, because once it comes on 9, it goes to 12. That time this hand should come on 3. So the hand will move slowly towards 3. So when the long hand comes on 12, this short hand will come on 3 to make it 3 o'clock. So this part, okay, so again if we calculate, it is 3/4, or you can say it is 2:9 5s are 45, 2:45. But we cannot write 3/4, so we write it as quarter. How we wrote here, it is quarter past 2 because it is passing 2. But here it will be quarter to the next number, so it will become quarter to 3. The 2 will become 3. This is past, means it is just passing by. And this is 15 minutes to 3. So it will go quarter to 3. Just here the number will change. So the basic concepts are o'clock, half past, quarter past and quarter